Time to do a quick Mustang update. As y'all can see, I've gotten some progress done. Today's work, sweaty work, because it's hot here in California, was I'm working on the battery relocation. I have a 250 amp breaker here that I'll mount, and then that'll go to my battery box, which will sit, oh, darkness descends, right in this area. That goes up and through. It is not pinched, it's just sitting there. So I need to make sure it doesn't get pinched. Then if you come over here, I go through the track, down into the door, follow the door up, go through the hole in there, into where the hinge is mounted, up to where the other hinge is mounted, and then across and out the front firewall. So what I did is I poked a hole right here, put a grommet in there, ran it through, ran it to a bulkhead fitting. Now this, I'm gonna mount up a little bit better like that. This is all just loose to make sure everything fits right. Now in the donor car, the 2012, the battery is actually back in this corner. It's up against the firewall on the passenger side, so I think all my wiring might just attach right there. I won't have to worry about running any more fittings or anything. I'll just mount right there. But as you can tell, got my mock block in here, and I'm working on my American Auto wire. Oh goodness, let's not even go there. But progress is made. Whoop-de-whoop.